Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You need compatible hardware and up-to-date system files before changing Fortnite. First, run DXdiag and note the Directx version and feature levels. This tells you if DX12 is supported. Next, download and install the latest GPU drivers from your vendor and perform Windows Update to get the latest runtime components. Once done, restart Windows so drivers register. Make sure the Epic Games launcher and Fortnite are closed while you update. This prevents file locking and ensures the game can accept DX12 at launch. Now you'll enable DirectX 12 for Fortnite. Launch the game and go to Settings, right arrow Video, right arrow Rendering, then enable DirectX 12 and apply changes. Fortnite will prompt for a restart. If the option isn't visible, close the game, open Epic Games Launcher, right-click Fortnite, select Manage or Properties, and add D3, D12 to additional command line arguments, then relaunch. Also make sure Visual C++ redistributables are current. Missing runtimes can cause the game to crash when switching renderers. Once you restart, the game will initialize DX12. Finish by testing gameplay and checking performance metrics, frame rate, input latency, and stuttering. If you see crashes, black screens, or degraded performance, immediately revert, remove the D3, D12 flag, or toggle DirectX 12 off to return to DirectX 11 and verify game files in the launcher. One key troubleshooting tip: if the game crashes on launch with DX12, disable overlays, Discord, GeForce Experience, update or roll back GPU drivers, and ensure power management isn't limiting GPU performance. Then try DX12 again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.